Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to change clothes in Grok AI. Have you ever taken a photo that you absolutely loved, except for the outfit? Maybe you wished you could instantly swap that casual t-shirt for a stylish blazer, or turn those jeans into a chic skirt. Well, in today's video, we're diving into the world of digital fashion makeovers with Grok AI to show you how to effortlessly change clothes in your photos. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only be able to upload and edit your images, but also guide Grok AI to transform your attire exactly as you envision. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by opening a chat session in Grok AI. It's crucial to ensure you're in a chat environment where attachments can be shared, as this is where all the image editing magic happens. Look for the attachment icon, which often resembles a paperclip or a plus sign, located near the message entry field. Clicking this icon confirms that you're operating within the chat context, which is essential for managing image edits. If you can't spot the icon immediately, you might need to expand the message tools or adjust your screen's zoom setting. Now, let's move on to uploading your photo. Select the option to upload a file and navigate through your device to find the image you want to modify. Once you've located it, double-click to confirm your choice. Grok AI is compatible with common image formats such as JPG and PNG. To achieve the best results, choose a photo where the subject is clearly visible, with adequate lighting and minimal motion blur. Clothing changes are most effective when the current attire isn't obscured by other elements like bags, crossed arms, or hair. After selecting your file, give the system a moment to upload it. You'll typically see a thumbnail or a progress indicator in the chat window. Once the image appears, it's time to click on Edit this image. This action opens Grok's image editing interface, a guided workspace where the AI model can modify the photo based on your commands. The edits in this view are non-destructive, which means you can always try different instructions if you need to adjust something. Now comes the fun part, specifying how you want to change the clothes. Be detailed and descriptive in your instructions so Grok AI can align with your vision. For example, you might type, change the white t-shirt to a fitted navy blazer over a light gray crew neck. Keep the jeans unchanged and maintain the natural lighting. You can specify elements like color, fabric, style, fit, sleeve length, neckline, and any accessories that need to remain the same. If you're aiming for a formal look, include details such as tailored, single-breasted, or silk. For a casual vibe, suggest options like an oversized hoodie, graphic tee, or denim jacket. If there are aspects you don't want altered, clearly state. Leave the background and hairstyle as is. Precise instructions help minimize guesswork and yield more realistic outcomes. Finally, click the Submit icon. Grok AI will process your request and generate the edited image within the chat. The processing time may vary based on the image's size and complexity, so a little patience may be needed. If the initial result isn't exactly what you envisioned, refine your wording regarding color, texture, or fit, and then submit again for an improved version. You're all set when the outfit appears as you imagined and the overall image maintains its natural feel. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to change clothes in Grok AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.